Understanding Wood-Fired Oven, an English Learning Guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, wood-fired oven. This term might sound simple, but it carries rich cultural and historical significance. Let's dive in and learn all about it. A wood-fired oven, also known as a wood oven or wood-burning oven, is a type of oven that uses wood as its primary source of heat. These ovens are often made from materials like brick or clay and are known for their high cooking temperatures. They are traditionally used for baking bread, pizza, and other dishes, offering a unique flavor that's hard to replicate with modern ovens. The history of the wood-fired oven dates back thousands of years. Originally, these ovens were essential for daily cooking in many cultures. They were particularly famous in countries like Italy for pizza and bread baking. Understanding this history enriches our appreciation of the term and highlights its cultural importance. In modern times, wood-fired ovens are often associated with artisanal or gourmet cooking. They are celebrated for imparting a smoky flavor and crisp texture to foods, especially pizzas. These ovens have seen a resurgence in popularity, symbolizing a return to traditional cooking methods. Pronouncing wood-fired oven is straightforward, with emphasis on wood and fired. It's often used in culinary contexts or when discussing traditional cooking methods. For English learners, practicing this phrase can enhance vocabulary, especially in conversations about food and culture. We hope you enjoyed learning about wood-fired ovens and their significance in both history and modern cuisine. This term isn't just about cooking. It's a window into cultural traditions. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more exciting English language explorations.